Taking into a retrospective look into Nationwide Survey 2019, it was found that more than one-third of investors cited high fees and sales charges as their main deterrent of investing in UTS. Also, more than one-fifth of them quoted fees and charges as their main dissatisfaction with UTS investment. Why are there such sentiments? Are the fees and charges in UTS certainly high? Lingering on that thought, FIMM in 2021 had taken the initiative to conduct a research on UTS fees and charges. The research had received 100% cooperation from the industry, with 91% of them submitted complete information, which culminated into following findings. Zooming into the fees and charges of UTS, it is highly notable that the actual sales charges imposed are much lower than the maximum sales charges reflected in prospectuses. A declining trend is also seen in major asset classes, with the EPF being the main catalyst of such trend. Additionally, the total cost of investing has plummeted, resulted from increasing investor demand, competition among existing and new players, the rise of online DIY portals, and economies of scale. Apart from the mentioned catalysts, it is prevalent for industry to run campaigns which resulted in lower cost of investing. The most common campaign was on initial sales charges, followed by switching fees and annual or trailer fees. Such campaigns have also provided flexibility for investors to buy from channel that offers the best price. Moving along to the level of services in UTS, many still wants to be guided through their decision-making in UTS investments despite the emergence of alternatives such as online DIY portals. Hence, going through UTS consultants is popular among retail investors in Malaysia, proportionate to the number of services rendered by them, such as up-to-date information on funds, explanation on fund features, periodic review on an investment portfolio, and many others. In terms of investor stickiness, findings have shown that 50% of the accounts have stayed for at least 5 years. It is also worth noting that the longer investors hold on to their investments, the lower the average fees and charges paid. In distinction to the findings attained, we have established the recommendations for the betterment of UTS. Among the top priorities in the pipeline are on the upscaling or upgrading of UTS consultants. Members and distributors are encouraged to inculcate UTS consultants with goal-based investing skills. Furthermore, members and distributors will need to enhance the transparency of fees and charges, as well as develop systems and infrastructures to facilitate transactions. Ultimately, FIMM and the industry in unison will have to perpetually educate investors and the public on fees and charges of UTS.